The show starts in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Almost clicked out of it. I think we're going to keep going down. It'll be clean. It will fall all the way here. Boom! Oh! Oh my god, it breaks pretty good. What it do? What it do? It's Monday. President's Day. Markets will be closing early. Let's see if I can fill those some in right quick. Let's see. Market 9.5. Four, 6. This is a pretty big sell-off or pre-market here. I think the open might give a nice little pop up. A possibility. I don't know if I like keep running all the way up, but we're just so bearish for today. But it might give a pop back up. See. We got some time. Now we got like shit. We got like 7 minutes yet. So this was Monday. This is today's low from the open. Asia. The 236. We want to keep dumping. We have to set 700 psych level. 692. The 5. 236 is even down farther. 635. This is previous midline also, but there's 236. If you want to keep dumping all the way down there on the day, it is half a day. Market ends half a day because it is a bank holiday. Let's see if we can get some movement coming in. I mean, it's already moving. It made a big ass move down. Only caught a little bit of it on one of my firms. Caught 220 of it. That's all I needed. Those are 25K accounts. See if on here I'm looking to get 500 plus on these 4 accounts, so I could put in my request for a payout today on it for 7 grand. All I need is 500 plus. I have to wait to open. I probably don't take anything right now. This is still pushing down. This thing's still pushing down yet. I'd see some of this get taken out. Here get taken out. If it pops through it, up here you get taken out. See if we can get rid of an aggressive push up, or if we're just gonna fall. See. We got 4 minutes. Well, them are targets. Targets to the upside. I don't think we're gonna pump on the day. I mean, we could stay high, 25,000. Or don't have. And then the 952. Yeah, this is the 2786 up top. If we want to push up, I got more targets closer to the downside. We are in a downtrend. We are bearish on the day. We'll see what happens. I could see New York give a pop up, but that the 5 minute, the 15, the hourly, 4 hour is turning bearish. Like this is hard red. I think it's gonna dump on the day at least. The morning might give a pop up. The morning might give a pop up, mess around, and then start working its way down. That's what I think. I don't think the open's gonna come and just melt. Maybe. We are in a bearish fucking trend right here. So maybe. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Minute and a half. It's a possibility it just melted. It almost hit right here. It took out that low. This is today's low. It almost took it out. It like tapped it. Almost tapped it. I can see it sweeping that. Maybe the open goes, sweeps that, pops up, and then comes back down. Oh. There's a big ass wick down here that it could be coming for. So, I mean, it is a possibility. This fucking thing wants to keep dumping. We'll see. 30 seconds. I like to see it come up. Maybe it comes down a little bit, pops up. Maybe it don't pop up at all. This is so bearish, but I like to see it come up some. All right. Here we go. Are we going to get a little sweep to the downside? Not much volume because it is a bank holiday. So this might just keep going. This didn't move at all. This might keep going. I'm waiting for some volume to come into play here. It could hold that. SPX has room to go down yet. Here comes the sweep of it. Are we just going to keep melting though? We'll see. We'll see what happens. Just gotta wait. These wicks are holding it. I want to see if we can get above this candle here, possibly even this one. Holding it there. I'm gonna mark up a 5-minute orb. Not really going. I really like to see this come back up here and take this out, but we are just trending this thing down. It's holding both ways. There's not gonna be much volume coming in today. I'm sure it'll move aggressively a couple times. We got a minute and 20 on the 5. Right back down it goes. Six, one. There you go. All right, I got my 5-minute orb marked up. I usually go out to 15, but there's just no volume today, so we're gonna see what happens. This is the 5-minute. Come on. That's a 5-minute orb. Let's see what happens. Unless this goes for that 15. This 5-minute is a big downtrend coming down here. This might sell off. This might not go up. This might just sell off. Might be. I want to see it close really underneath. I don't want it to just break, but this might just go. Probably should have took it. Couple seconds left. I want to see what the next candle do. Testing it. The recess of the 5-minute orb right there. I almost took that just because. Hold on. Let me turn this shit off because I really don't like that. There. Well, it's good they didn't take it because I would have been messed up. $10 on this candle. If we're gonna close back into it, we're gonna have 15-minute orb so far. Popped right back inside the 5 minute. This might try to pop up here. Still holding this thing down. The 5 is still kind of shit, but it is holding it up here. Six two. Oh yeah, this is midline. Yeah, if we could get it back above midline, maybe I take it if we can get up here. Right now, this is still staying down. The 5 minute looks real bad. Could be targets down here. It looks real bad. He is about to break its low. And Q is at its low. US is trying to break. Now we're getting a little aggressive. A little bit of volume came in. This might be the turning point, but brand new 5 minute candle. Super bearish close on the 5 minute close. Can't get back above the 5 minute. I'm gonna have the 15 orb pretty soon. We can't get it back above this here, this 745. It's gonna roll it all the way down here yet. Let's see if we can roll back up here. All right, we tapped it. We're testing it now. Could be an entry for the short possibility to see if we can get back down. It's so weak. Honestly, I'm not looking for buys at all. This is super weak. Super weak. Alright, we got room way down. Way down. Oh boy. Yeah, we could get down to this area here. Maybe we start getting a little bully, but it's moving so slow. This could come back up and retest. Yeah, this is just looks like a short bearish day. Minute left for the 15-minute Orbi. He started the. Oh, let's see what we do around here now. This just could keep going. Got targets down here, way down. Way down. Oh, there is orb. All right, we got orb. Got the 15-minute Orby Dorby. Mark that shot. I'll leave lines here just. Seven 5-2. All right, there's a 15-minute mark and the 5-minute. Yeah, this was just a very bearish day. Bearish day. All right, let's see what we're gonna do here. Couple seconds, but I like to see a break up here. Might be going for this candle here. Oh. Looking a little decent. Looking kind of decent. 25 seconds. Oh yeah, we're starting to push here. Honestly, starting to move, but might be decent here. I could test it right here. Just put my stop right below that candle, right below that box. Like I could just test it here. I'm going to put my stop right there. I'm just gonna test this. See if we want to break up here. This thing is not breaking. I want to see this move. Come on now. There you go. Come on. Get up there. 10 seconds. Come on, it's not moving. Might not go yet. I like to see it push. Shall see. About to take me out. Oh. I want to see it get up here. There we go. Come on. Let's move. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay, I have to guarantee I don't lose that. I have to guarantee it. I can't let that go red. Even it might be a $5 or whatever, $10, 20, whatever. I have to guarantee I don't lose that trade. It did take this candle. I want to see if we can get above this. It should continue it up a little. But this might just take me out first. I hope it don't. I want to see it go, but we'll see. We'll see. We'll see what happens. It's looking decent. You gotta make that move. SPX or NQ left a little gap right here. That's not good. I want to see if they can ignore that right now and come up here. There we go. Come on. Give me a nice pop. I have to lock that in here. I'll set my trailing my stop underneath the candle. See if we can go here. Ooh, it edged my stop. See if we can pop it up. Still in it. Almost took me out on my stop right there, but see if we can move it here. Come on, get up. Go on. Okay, I took my order. Come on. 300, keep pushing. Come on. Let's move it here. Come on, move it up. Couple seconds. Stay above that 5-minute orb. Come on, get above it. There we go. There we go. There's that 500. I'm taking that. I'm just taking it. It's all I needed. Locked it in. Locked the fuck in. Hell yeah. We got paid today. We got paid today. We got paid today. Let's fucking go. See, we got above. We're hanging at midline here. I got some other accounts I could take here. Nice 3-bar. See if we can keep moving here. We got room if we want to keep it going. We got room to fill way up here. Let's see if we can get it up here. We'll see what happens. We're breaking that 5-minute. Alright, I'm still holding this shit. Oh, 500 on 3 of mine. I want to see if we could keep breaking it up here. Let's see if we can keep it moving here or not. I want to see if we could target up here. This up here would be target 816. See if we can get it up there. Topside orb. Oh boy, oh boy. I want to see if we can keep this moving possibly here. A16 would be target that I would like to hold it to. That is this box up here. So I want to see if we can break it up here. I'm in on that. I'm up 300, floating around 300 to 500 each. But we got to break this up here. This is holding. It's holding it down. That's not good. Not good. Rut-row. Rut-row. Might bring it down to midline. That would not be good. Not be good. I want to see it pop back up. Hold that 5-minute midline at least. It'd be real nice. Hold it here and pop it back up. $15 seconds. ES is holding up. Let's see if NQ can hold up, or NQ is going to drop it back down to their 3-bar. Might try to melt down here. But it is holding it, so we'll see. There we go. There we go. Come on, baby. Get back up there. I don't like that test right there. I wanted to see that break. That has got to break that. I don't like how it tested it. This might fall back down now. We need to break that. There we go. Come on. I'm up 600. There we go. Come on. Come on. Get up there. Get up here. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. We got room. Up 1,000. Let's move this. Come on. Get above. Get above. Get above. It's gonna make me want to close that. No, no, no. That's not good. Oh boy, now it's being sketchy. Hold it above there. Hold it above that. Oh no, oh no. Stay up, NQ. Stay up above there. There we go. Come on. Come on. 15 seconds. Get back up. Oh no. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Hold it up there. Keep popping. Keep popping. Come on. We're still making higher highs, but we got to break that structure there at that green line up top there. Oh. Come on. We got to take this out. If we take this out, it goes. We take that out, it should go. There's an 800 area. I want to see this pop it up. 816. This is target. I will take some out. So I got 2 minutes on this 5. We gotta break that structure right there. We break this structure on top of this green line that it's about to test. It's good to go. Kinda almost want to get out and just take my profits. I'm up 800. I might just fucking. ES is holding. This could get back into its range. That would bring it down. That'd be not good. Minute left on this 5. See if we can keep it going up here. I'm still in it. About to get out of it though, 'cause this is. Come on, get up. Get up, make this move up. It's gotta make this move up. I want to see this 5 break out. Be beautiful. Come on, 30 seconds. Come on now, get up. I'm like, this is a little downtrend right here. This is a little bit of a downtrend right here. I want to see this strong up move. Take this out, and go. Come on, go for it. Take that out. Take it out. We're testing both on ES and on Q topside right now. I want to see this break out. We got 5 seconds. 5 seconds on the brand new 5-minute candle. This could give a dump back down. Didn't break out. Let's see. We're going to give aggressive move. There we go. Go for it. Go for it. Go for it. Come on. Come on. Come on. You know what? I'm going to take some out. I took 1 mini out. Took 1 mini out of it because we're not pushing through. I might just close the rest of it. Hold on. I might take 1 more out. I might take 1 more out if we can't get above this here. Okay, we're above it. See if we can push past the 800 now. 800 would be a target to push it past it. Let's see if we can push past it. We're pushing. I'm going to take 1 more out and let 1 ride now. Unless if we break 785, then I'm fully out. But I'm letting 1 ride unless we break 785. Would be right here. If we break that, I'm fully out. We'll see. About to take me out. There, it took me out. There, it took me out. 900. 930. I cashed out on that one. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Fully out of that. Fully out. 930. Fresh account. Fresh TPT. So I need 600 to lock in a payout on that. I am taking a payout on my Blue Sky. I don't think I trade that today. We got room to go up yet, but up to the 20s. This would be a 20 up. Yeah, up into this box would be my main target. I'm just not gonna hold to this shit. Like if I really wanted to hold, look, we got a box right here. This could come down through. But if I was in it down here all the way up, sure, I would have banked on that. This could be the move coming back down here. Look, I got a target down here. 728. Guess I could just. I'm good. I ain't taking shit else. Fuck all that. Bring it down low. Everybody knows it. Hey, go. Everybody knows it. Can I? I don't think I can put in a request on my FFF accounts yet. Let me see. If I can, I'll do it live. Oh. Do-do-do-do. Bring it down low. Everybody knows it. Here we go, go. Alright, we're gonna do this together here, chat. Let's see. I don't think I have. This is my FFF. That's these accounts right here. The ones I just banked in that 500 on them. This target, this could come target down here. Is she going? Yo, this is actually moving it down. 5 minute, if we get down 590 or 59. Yeah, if we could break this, I mean. Might. Hold on. I'm just looking for to see if we can break this down here. I might take the short if we can. Just 2 micros though. Not I'm not playing minis. I'm just playing micros. Too close to a payout on my TPT accounts. I want to see if we could break this 53. We could. Yeah, I mean, yeah, we got to break down here. That's it. This would be target for it to come forward. This little gap, NQ left. See if we can get this 3 bar down here. I might just put a pending at 53. No, 50 would be a better one, but yeah, 52. I'll put a pending at 52. Oh, popped right back up. I'll get back onto my FFFs in a second here, and we'll do it. We'll see if we can take out a request together. If not, maybe we take out a blue sky request together. See. One. Mike. Let's look at my pendings at 52 here. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. Target would be down here for me. Fuck it. I don't give a shit. I'm gonna get out of it. I'm done. This will probably keep going. This will probably keep it going here. This looks good to go. I just closed it for a little bit. I probably should have just held it. Target's here. This could keep going. Gonna go down here. And Q's coming for this gap right here. That's main target. I was hoping this up move would have held it. Thank God it did. Locked in $1,000 on that. On my TPT, well, 930 locked in. 2,000 on these. 500 times 4. That's 2,000. 500 times 4. Locked in 2 grand on those. Locked in a 7K payout on these accounts. We're gonna see if I can put it in right now. I don't think we can. But I'll switch back over to it in a second here. I want to see if we come for this fill. If I can't put it in, I might do a 1,500 on my blue sky. We'll do that one together. That's $8,500 day. I might have to wait on FFF till later on today to put that in. There she's moving. There she's moving. She filled it. Nailed the target. This might break. This might come for this fill right here. But I want to see if we can hold this. If we break through it, it's gonna come for this fill right here. This area, if it could hold, they could bounce back from it now. Or just keep going. I don't really care. Don't really care. All right. Add to my FFF accounts here. Am I seriously $1 away? There's no way. I'm $1 away, bro. I'm a couple dollars. No, I got it. This isn't updated. Never mind. I should be at about 55, so I have 5,000. I am. Hold on a second. Let me just see. Payout. I should be good for a full pay. 52.5. All right. Do my calculation. So 52,500 plus I could take out. So that's my buffer zone 2,500. So 52.5. Max payout is 1750 each. I should leave it to 54,250. Profit needed. Yep. I have over that. We're Gucci on that. So I could take 1750 times 4, 7 grand. This has an update, so I won't be able to do it yet. Won't be able to do it. Look at that. We are green, baby. Jeez, we green. Every day, we green, baby. This would be 510 once it updates, so I won't be able to take it out yet. I gotta wait for this to update, then I can. Oh, here we going. I don't do shit. I'm good. I don't need any more. Right? So if I have 4, let's just go minus 50. Yeah, I'm good. I'm good by 1,000. I'm Gucci. And she's dumping still. Oh boy, she's dumping. Going for the 5-minute wick fill. This could come down and test 710. 710, right here. This area. Yeah, bottom side orb, yeah. That's the 5-minute. The 5-minute right there, bam. That previous wick. Right on it. So it could come test right here. This would be the 5-minute zone. It could reject from. The rest of from here to here is a wick. If it's going to go for a wick fill. I mean, from here down is a 5-minute week. So yeah. If this is going to hold, this has got to hold for a higher low, and we move all the way back up, I don't think it's going to happen. I think we're just going to be bearish on the day. I'm done. I'm not taking anything else. I don't care. I don't need to take anything else. I'm not going to mess up my TPT account. This might just be Barry on the day. Hey, okay. Alright, fuck that. I'm done. So, from the 6th, this is the start of these accounts, is when I activated them. Oh, we greened the whole week, and we greened for today. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Payouts come tomorrow. If I can get it in today yet, I don't know if I can. All the stats on these accounts. $66 number of trades. So these aren't trades like I click button. These are per contracts. So if I put in 3 minis in one trade, that's 3 trades. When I close it, that's 3 trades. So that's 6 trades in one trade. That's how number of trades count. Average trade duration per minute. Best day of total profit is 26%. My trade win is at 78%, almost 79. Average win to lose is 2.2. Most profitable day, 1100. Less profitable day was 482. The worst trade was minus 500. That's the stats on it. Pretty fucking good if you ask me. Okay, let's see. Payout. I doubt I could put it in. Payout. I cannot. I wanted it updated. Yeah, this shit is shitty shorted. Payout. Nope. Cannot put it in. This is old. Yeah, these are all. This is when they push me to live. So I cannot put my payout in on that. Blue sky. My blue sky. That's my challenge. My funded account. Ooh, this motherfucker's dumping. We got that 700. They got it low. Be a berry ash day, you know what I'm saying? Berry ash day. Alright, do I take it out now? Do I just lock in my 1500? I might just do that. Fuck it. Payout. We're doing this together, chat. We're putting one in, at least I could put in. I could put at least one of them in. Come on, hurry up and update. Come on. Update it. Right, I'm gonna get some water while this updates. I'll be right back. Oh, finally updated. Oh, did we take the lows? Almost. Almost took that low out. Damn, I should have just held that fucking short. Woo me. Should have just held that short. She shorted. Gonna take out the low. Yes, it's taking it a low. Yes, taking the low. Target would be 635. Right down here. This is target. I got the low. We can't get back above. If we can't get back above, we come back down. Anyways, I take out 1500. Double profit 1500. I'm gonna take 1500 request. Okay, did it put it in? Did it put it in? I don't know. They have a new dashboard, so everything's fucked. I don't. This is my first time requesting it on a new dashboard, and I don't know. Maybe I might like contest boards, see if they can see it. All right, well, that's gonna do that. Well, there it is. I put my 1500 in my request. I'm gonna contact support just to make sure that it is in there. It is in there. It is in there. It is in there. Pending 1500. It is in there. I'll get 1350 for a 90% split. All right, Ouija. 1500. Target would be down here for anyone that wants to take that short. If you fail, you couldn't get back above. We break these lows, it's just gonna be done. If they can hold under, if we can't get back above this, we hold under. And she's just good to go. Come down here. This is doing the same thing over here now. Bearish move. Now we're penning it down. And this might play around a little bit. Might go like this. And then it goes. Possible. All right, well, I'll just call it here. I ain't trading anymore. Yeah. No point. No point. The short target's right down here. My long target was up here. Didn't get hit. I still locked in 900. I didn't take the short down. If I did, I would have banked on it. It is A-OK. The short target's down here. This is my target down. As long as we hold under this right here, we can't reclaim this area right here. This is. But I'm done. I made mine. I put in a $1,500 request for a payout. I put it in my 7K payout later today. Once the dashboard updates. Locked in 900 on my other account. Okay, we Gucci. We good. We good. I still need 580, and I can request a payout on those ones. I was up to like 1300, but after it started taking my contracts out, I was left with 935. So appreciate you coming in. Much love. Markets will be ending early today. There was not much volume today. I was waiting. Like I would have nailed this short. Would have been badass, but didn't. This little move. I was waiting for the up move. That's where it happened down here. We got back up. Once we took this, I was in it. All I needed was 500 on these accounts. Took it out here at that 500. Took it out. Didn't care. I was in on my other one. Rode it up a little bit more. Got out here for 900. So didn't take the short at all. I mean, I took it with 3 micros for maybe $20. I could have just held it all the way. Should have just held it, but just reclaimed it. This could mess around. Yo, what up? I do teach trading as I trade. Like I have targets marked out. I say what I look for, my targets, like all that. I do it as I trade. So I am thinking about putting like a course together though, because I've had a lot of people ask me if I have a course, ask me to teach them, ask me to trade for them, which I do not do. I will not do that just because tax reasons and stuff like that. But might be putting together a course though. So that might be coming in the near future. See if I can put one together. But these are the 3 accounts that I traded today. Let me log into my other one. Thank you. I appreciate that. Thank you, emoji. Much love. So today all I needed was 500 on these for a 7K payout today. Lock those in. I locked those in. This is another account locked in 200. These are 25Ks, so I only need to make 300 max. So all I took was this short right here. Took the short, right down. 200, locked in that ones. And then I traded my TPT funded, locked in 935 because a little bit of a fee. This 21 was only 5. But yeah, fresh account. So I need like 500 some dollars to request a payout on those before I can. So we're going to that. I requested live just a little bit ago, 1500 payout. Put that in live on my Blue Sky account. Y'all seen that? That's requested. That's pending. My Blue Sky here. Hey, what up, man? I appreciate that. Thank you for coming in. Much love. This one here, we just put this one in today. This is pending, 1500. My FFF, we cannot put in yet. Oh, where is it? Oh. Oh, here it is. I cannot put we are green. I opened these up on the 6th. Green day. Last week, all green. Today, that is these. 510. 1,500 payout there. That'll come here. This will lock in my 7th day. I can put it in a 7K payout later. I was hoping I could do it on stream today. If you just watch the stream. I do like I will take out. I do teach as I trade to an extent. Like I'll put in the charts of what I look for, like my targets. Like I had targets. I got all my orbs set up, my 5-minute, my 15. I have everything set. Like our target was up here on this long. It didn't quite get there. It stopped me out on this. We came back down. The short target that I had was right here. Nailed it. Once we broke this, held under, it'd be all the way back down to take out the low to keep going. I still have targets down to here. I don't need to do anything else. I'm done for the day. So I was hoping to put in my 7K request today on these 4 accounts, but I cannot. So I was hoping we couldn't do it. 200 on those. Yeah. You're gonna tell me this trade's going up or down? It does go up and down. Yeah, you're right on that. It does go up and down. So I wanted to see this hold below it. This popped back up, came below, but we popped back up. So right now we're holding underneath this orb. I wanted to see it hold under this for a continuation to drop down. As long as we hold under here, this is the main resistance. We hold under this, the short is still good to come down here, 635. But we start breaking this, which I don't see that really happening. We're not going to go bullish for the day. Today is a red day. We're staying bearish for today. Markets do close early. So I got my profits. Yeah, don't overtrade. Show me first the weekly. You talk about a weekly candle. Is that what you want? See, I don't go by. I'm not a swing trader, so I don't give a shit about the week, the month. Maybe I only look at the day for most of the time. I don't look at any of that. The highest time frame I look at is hourly. I go hour, 15, 5, 1. I trade on the 1. I mostly look at the 1 and the 5 for entries. 15 to the hour for more of a bigger move. But anything over hourly, I could care less about. I'm not a swing trader, I'm a scalper. I'm in it for maybe minutes. How much I made total or today? Last year I had a six-figure year. Today, you're talking about today of how much I made. 3,000 today on 2 accounts. Yeah, today was just 3,000 on, well, a little over 3,000 across the 3 accounts that I traded. And then, yeah, from last year, it was over 6 figures that I made. Hourly is still bearish. You see the 15 trying around it. Still shows weak to me. The 5 is trying to pop it up, but the 1 minute's trying to move it up. But I don't think we go green for the day, especially because we made a lower low. It might come pop up, but I don't think we come take all this. I don't see that happen. If it does, it does. I could care less. I'm not playing it anymore. I'm done. How much I made total? I don't know. Don't know. Dad, I can't tell you how much I made like in total. I've been doing it for about 4 years now. I've been trading. I started with crypto, started in Bitcoin. I don't really trade much Bitcoin anymore. I stick to NASDAQ. That's it. Yeah, came from crypto. Made a bunch of money in that. Trading Bitcoin. Went to Forex. My live account on Forex. I don't have a live account on futures. I use props on futures. My live account is a Forex, so I trade NASDAQ 100 on that. And then NQ on futures, obviously. But I just stick to that. I used to trade US 30, also known as YM in futures. I used to trade US 30. I do a little bit of silver, not much. Silver is more Asia open. I would trade silver, but mostly NQ. But I'll trade. I made the most money on NQ, so that's what I stick with. I stick with what I know and what works. I don't mess around really much with anything else. NQ is my main. If I'm not trading NQ, it might be silver, but it's not much. I don't trade much. I only trade silver if NQ doesn't move a whole lot during Asia. This is a nice W formation. This might bring it back to midline, but let's say we might be coming back up to here. If we can break above this. We can break back above, basically right here. We break above this. Maybe we come back up to midline. It's a nice W though. Nice W for a continuation back up to here. Show you full chart. I mean, this is on the 1 minute. I don't know what you want to look at. It will go down. You go down here. Yeah, this is main target. If we break this, it goes to midline. But this is main target for it to reject from, if it's going to. I made mine. I don't care. I'm not playing it. I'm not playing it anymore. Don't care. How long you been trading for? If this can hold up here, this might be a nice wicker flip or a 3-bar stay. This could break through, come back up here. But really, for me, I mean, it's got to break. It's got to break to 735. If we could break 735, it could be targeting this block here. So a nice W formation. This is a nice aggressive trend. If we could break this aggressive trend, it'll come back down. Or we break this 735 right here. This will probably come test inside of this area here. If you want to break above this, it could be targeting here. It could be targeting up top, but I don't think we go up there. I just don't see that happening. Everything is bearish today. Don't think that's gonna hit. Nice rejection so far from there. Yep. Yep. Exactly. Very good resistance right here. Yep. Exactly. How long you been trading for though? So that's 1 minute. Here's And look at this 5 minute. This 5 minute shit. Down, higher low, or lower high. Take out the low, so it's lower low. Now we come back up, test right here. This could reject and come right back down. I said main target's right here for the short. Way down here. It's 634. We could get it down. Previous day low. I mean, this could go way down there at 578. But with it being President's Day, the volume shit. So. Head and shoulders. Yeah, see, I don't go head and shoulders. I don't care for those. Like, I'll do some ICT concepts. For me, my biggest one is order blocks. Order blocks, fair value gaps. Those are the two I play mostly. Everything else, turtle soup, that's all bullshit. I don't give a shit what it's named. Cock and balls, I don't give a fuck what it is. W formations, M formations, I like those. Like here, main target from this short down here because NQ gap. Plus we got a block right here of a 3-bar. So that's why I drew this out. We came down for it. We closed that gap. Couldn't get back above. Came down for bottom side. Swept the lows. Came back up. Retested this again. Couldn't do it. Now it's rejecting again. I said in the beginning of the stream, this is a bearish ass day. But yeah. So you're a big IC trader then, huh? A lot of that name calling stuff, turtle soup, head and shoulders, they play out, sure. It doesn't give you much of an entry. You gotta look, I read candles. That's what I like to do. I like to read candles. The short playing out. This is a nice fucking play out. You're a learner? I got you. I got you. This is main target down here for a short. We can take out these lows. You should get it. Might just go. There's lots of volume picking up in here. I'll use trends. Oh, you're 19. Nice. So, do you trade? Are you profitable? Right at this line right here would be very good support for it to hold. This was previous support. This was the short I was looking for right here. So we can probably bounce from here. I took that long up. I took this long up. Got stomped out right here as it pulled back. Got stopped out there. My main target for a short was right down here. I didn't take it because I already made mine. I could care less. The short looks real clean right now. We break this. This looks real clean. It's going to come right down here. You didn't trade a single penny? Dude, I wish I was 19 again. I'm 40, bro. Wish I was 19 again. I wish I was doing now when I was your age. So there is a setup that I do like. This set right here. How it comes down, it gives a bullish move up, and then it stairs up. I call this the staircase to heaven. But since we have resistance right here, it rejected. But, hear me out here. We get a move down, a big pump up, and then it staircases up. Staircases up, staircases up. This candle would have been flipped around. This would have shot up. This whole move could have been flipped for a big move up. But since we're at resistance already, there was no reason to take a long trade on it. But this, I love this setup right here. Love this set right here. Erase this red. Erase all this red. Okay, just look at this set right here. If this wasn't resistance, I would have took that long. This is the #1 setup I love to take. I take it every single time. I would have took it on my other account. This setup, Staircase to Heaven, I'd be looking for this to break and a pump. And like a pump, aggressive pump. But since this is resistance, it rejected. It's the only reason I wouldn't take it. We came back down. Now, since this mirrored it, this is coming down. This will come down. This is a mirror setup. As soon as we break here, we take the low and we come down. So. Hey, just come in every single day. I'm here Monday through Thursday. Fridays, I don't trade. I take Fridays for myself. Well, I trade. I don't stream. I don't stream on Fridays. Fridays are my day. So, but Monday through Thursday, I'm here every morning for the New York Open. Come hang out. I call out trades all the time. I call them out every time. I didn't take a single red trade today. Every trade caught that banger. Call it the banger. Yeah, markets end early today, so morning. Do you know what time New York Open? I don't know. Where are you from? So wherever you're from, just look up New York Open or just hit that bell. Okay. Yeah. So the time right now for like me, so I started a couple hours ago, like 2.5 hours. India. Okay. Yeah, just keep that notification bell on, my guy. It'll ping it when I go live. I usually go live about, I try to make it 15, sometimes 10 minutes. 10 to 15 minutes before the open. I go live. Start it before the opens. I'll draw up my lines where I want to see targets hit, what I want to see the open do, all that shit. I'm from the States. Now what I want to see hold is this. This I want to see hold for a continuation drop. We start breaking and close. If we get a close above this, it'll go. But this setup right here, this is telling me this is bearish. Super bearish. So now we're stepping down. We're going to come down. The next 671, it could push aggressively to 671. We could just push aggressively to this. This is main target. And if so this orb break, this move from here to here would be 100% move, break of orb. That's why this is my main target. And that is also the 786 right here. That's why this is main target for the short play out too. So, but and then we come down, we break this low, it shoots it right down to here. It might just melt through it. I don't know. This is the 50% of orb break. Sometimes it holds, it gives a little bounce. Most of the time it melts through it, but as long as we hold under this, we're good to go. And this is the 0.5 fib. It's right on here is the previous 4-hour low. This right here too. So if we can hold under here, we'll come down. We take out a new low, we take out the 50, go for the 100 and the 70s. Yeah, I like shorts better. Yep, I was bearish all day today. I was bearish all day today. From the start all the way up here, all the way down. This is all pre-market. I don't like to take trades pre-market. Anything can happen. I don't like to. I got burned many times pre-market doing trades. So I don't care for it. I was trying to push above. We got to close above for it to turn a little bit of bullish. But I still see this coming down. But I called this short out. I said it'll probably get down to here, and then I want to see rounding of it for a pop back up. We started coming back up. I saw we left a little gap. That's bullish to me. We 3-barred it up. That's where I took it. We rode it all the way up. All the way up the top side. Top side up here. This here, this here, this here is the 5-minute. This is the first one I marked out. This here, here is the 15 orb. That's the next one I marked up. So we came up. As long as we kept this gap for now, we remained bullish. This is a big up move. I took it. Once we broke right here, this is where I got out. Once we broke that, I said this is the main target for the short. Came back down, nailed the short. I didn't take the short because I already made mine, so I could care less. I've been trading about 4 years now. For about 4 years. Now we're testing bottom side orb again. This is resistance. So as long as we hold those down, short's still good. Oh. No, I don't think we go bullish on the day. Not at all. Not at all. Something has to happen in the news for us to go bullish, to go all the way back up and turn green. Something would have to happen. I mean, we have to go all the way up here. I don't think that's happening. Maybe it does. I don't know. I don't think we do. The 5-minute is gaining a little bit of strength. We got to break this and come back all the way back up. This is structure that it has to break for it to get bullishy. And then we got to break here. We got to break this and then go for all of that. It could go for these. Sure, it could. That's still not green though. Like we got to break this up here to turn green on the day. Ooh, I messed that up. I don't know. Whatever. I'm done. I don't care what that is. So like right now, this is still bearish to me. Especially if I want to draw a trend down. Look at the 1-minute trend. Perfectly tapped. Pump up. Perfect tap for it to come down. So we have to stay under this. We break this midline. Well, I don't know where this is now. Where is this midline? 751. Right there. There. We break here, we go to the top side again. Will that happen? Don't know. This is playing a nice W formation again, just like it did here. It came down, W, pop up. I wanted to see this drop here. It did not. It held it. It held down here for the pump. Oh, this is a bigger W that could be playing. Don't know. You want to start trading? You don't know a strategy to use. So, strategy-wise, you gotta find something that works for you. Like I found something that works for me when I take trades. You have to find something that works for you. Like I give out tips and hints on how I trade when I do it. Don't have a course yet. I am planning on making one in the near future to show my style of trading, how I trade, what I look for, what I look for my exits, stuff like that. But I don't have one as of right now. But yeah, come in every morning, hang out with me. I show exactly, and I say exactly what I look for, why I'm entering, my exits, all that. Without giving too much away. Like, I'll draw out everything I'm looking for, where I want, zones I want to break, stuff like that. Every New York Open, Monday through Thursday. I don't stream Fridays. Friday's my time. I take one day off out of the week just for me, just to keep my head straight. On Monday through Thursday, I am here live every day for New York Open. I usually go live 10 to 15 minutes beforehand. This is a nice 3-bar if you can go. But this 1 minute trend down is still bearish. We could be coming up to test this. Nice 3-bar set though. Very nice 3-bar set. On ES is even better. So since SPX is closed because it is a holiday today, look at that 3-bar go. Look at it testing it. Right to it. I watch ES. So I watch SPX trade NQ. It gives me confluence of my trades. I don't trade SPX. I just watch SPX. I really wanted to see it come down here. I wanted to see the take out the low and come down here. This is getting a little bullish. We're testing this 1 minute trend break of it. We're going to come back up to here on this midline. This is support resistance area right here. If it starts to break this, we can come all the way back up. ES is going. Thank you. I appreciate that. I'm actually redoing it as we speak. So it's not going to be that color. Changing the color on it. This could get up to like the 4-hour open. Could get up to like 770 here. This could be a target for it. If we can break this mid, it could be coming for right here. It's judging me like No, I know you are. I know you are. I know you're talking to me. Oh, you're good. Dude, you can talk shit to me. I don't give a heck. I could care less, man. Talk shit all you want to me. I could care less. No, I know you weren't though. Yeah, you said it looks cool. Says I got a sick car. Alright, let's see. Who's got. I don't think this got accepted quite yet. Nah, this is still pending for my payout. Still pending. 1500. We put that in live. My FFF. I doubt that's on here yet. I might have to wait till later for it to update. Yeah, this still hasn't updated yet. I should be at 5500. This is at not there yet. This is only 4500 profit. I should have 5 in here. Yeah, still hasn't updated for today yet, so I can't put that request in for my payout today yet. This will probably update end of day. Yeah, we got some youngsters up in here, huh? See? I wish it would update. I wanted to take this live with you all. Put in my payout on here live, but probably don't update until end of day. So, oh well. See if we can break this. If it breaks this, it could come up to here. This would be a target right to here. That would be about a 20-point move. This is support resistance. This could easily drop right back down. If we come back down, we contest in here. Yeah. ES is almost at my main target. NQ is lagging it, so this might not break it. Shit, I'm 40. I wish I was your guys' age. I wish I was back down. That's fuck 20. I wish I was doing what I was doing this now when I was that age. I wish. I wasn't doing that shit. I was doing some other stupid shit. I was doing some dumbass shit when I was in my 20s. Doing some illegal ass shit. Sure wasn't trading. I was making money, but it wasn't by trading. You know what I'm saying? Got out of that game. Let's see this coming back down. 704 if we can break this little range that we're at. Coming right back down into here. Come testing this again. It's gonna come down. I am married. How did I get started in it? I got started in trading. I think I just saw like a video of someone taking a trade. I think it was like CryptoFace that I saw, and that got me into it, and that's why I started trading Bitcoin first. I think it was him that got me into trading. Was CryptoFace. I don't trade much of crypto anymore though. But yeah, I basically taught myself. Look at this short playing out exactly. Right down here would be my target, just like I said. Fuck out of here. Get out of here. Anyways, I basically taught myself. You know, all I can really say is you just got it started. If you want to proceed this line of work, don't start with your own money. I would start with props. Okay. I have my live account and I use a lot of props. I use a lot of different props. Props will be the best way to start trading, especially if you don't know what the hell you're doing. You don't know what the hell you're doing, don't open your own money live account. You will blow that shit quicker than you can think of. This short playing out, man. Look at this short playing out. Can't make this up. Can't make it up. So easy of a trade right there. If I wasn't just green enough to take my payouts today, I'd definitely take that trade. So easy. So easy. Support resistance. Resistance off of it. Came back under this 1 minute bearish trend. We dumping back down. We got under. I said this is target. Look, it just tapped it. Just tapped it. Called that short. Easy short. Anyways. 75 XP? Wait, what do you mean by 75 XP? What got me profitable, like before, I like to go for big hits, all or nothing. And I loved to push buttons. I loved to take trades. It was actually like I made a lot and I lost a lot. I had big swings in my trading. What made me stay profitable and become very successful at trading was actually the wife. When she said, stop going for big ass trades like you're doing. I see you make a lot, but then you lose a lot too because you're going for big ass hits. I put a lot in all at once, and I shouldn't be doing that. So what I started doing, like I did right now, I've been watching. I called these trades out. Said exactly what I see. Have I took any? No. I took one trade on here, one trade with 2 minis for $500. Haven't take a single trade after that. That what made me so profitable and successful of where I'm at today. So I could sit here, I can call these trades out, I could watch the market. I'm green, I'm not taking anymore. I don't need to take anymore. We could do props in India, we could do, but we can't withdraw money in India. Gotcha. I got you. I mean, I still have to pay tax on my shit too. It's income. So I mean, yeah, I don't know how it works in India. So I can't speak on that. I don't know. I'm from the States. It's different. I can get paid. So when I get paid in crypto and I get paid directly to my bank account also, depending what prop I trade. So I mean, it depends which one I trade. I get paid in both ways. I have to pay taxes on it for sure. So I have my live account is Forex. My prop account is all futures. There's really no difference. So when I trade Forex, I'm trading indices. So I trade NQ, NASDAQ, same thing on Forex. Like, I don't trade GPY, the US dollar. I don't trade that shit. That's all, no, that's all bank shit. I don't care less. I don't trade any of that. I only trade NASDAQ. It's the only thing I trade. I might dabble in some silver, but not much. I will never ever trade silver during the morning when I'm trading NQ. Never, ever. I don't trade gold. I don't like gold. I just stick to NQ, NASDAQ. That's all I stick to. But I guess going back to your question from before, Yashi. That's how I became profitable. I say green, I take green, and I don't take no more trades. I don't over trade. The less time I'm in this market, the better chance for me to keep my money. And the more I try to play all these little fucking trades, like I called these out. I called this short out, and I said the target I want to right here is might be my target. It got there. I could have took that. There's no reason for me to take it though. Don't be greedy. Okay, that's the number one thing I can preach. Don't be greedy. You have profits, take your profits. What up, Coda? Yo, I'll be jumping on here soon, Coda. Dropping some knowledge right quick. Because we just made an $8,500 day, baby. Let's go. $8,500 profitable day in payouts I'm taking out today. Let's go. Let's go. But anyway, as I was saying, yeah, you see green, take it. Don't be greedy. Don't keep playing this market. It's like a casino. The more time you spend in casino, the better chance of you losing it. Same with the market. The more time you spend in this market, the more chances you got to lose it. Look at all this. My last trade I took was way over here. This was the last trade I took. This pump up. That's the last trade I took. I didn't take any of this. I didn't take any of that. Right to here, rejection. That short played out nicely. Didn't take that. Didn't take this long. I didn't take the short off the resistance. I said the resistance. We broke back under. This is target. Came right to it. Didn't take that because I have no reason to. I already made mine. There's no reason to be greedy and try to make more. There's no point to it. So that would be the number one thing that I would say how to be profitable and what to avoid when you're trading. Avoid over trading. Yeah, I'm about to end stream anyways, though. So I appreciate y'all coming in much. Love. We'll be back tomorrow. Make sure y'all tune in. Hit that bell. We big tomorrow. And like I said, how about guide? Start with props. Don't start with your own money. Start with props. Start with props. Like I use a lot of different props. I can name off some props. I like daily payout props personally. A cheap prop, go with Apex Trader. Go with them. They're cheap as shit. Learn from them. But I'm going to call it here. Appreciate y'all coming in. Much love. God bless. And we'll see y'all tomorrow morning. Keep this going.